Hey Tip Lab, can you please help me make a cute bouquet for my friend? It's her birthday today.
Sure, Lana, we can use these roses to make the bouquet. Let me show you first how to make these roses. So, it's very simple. You need quilling paper for this, and all you have to do is first fold the tip of it in this way, slant fold, as you see on the video. Once you have done folding it in this way, like this, you have to make use of your quilling needle. Do not forget the glue because you'll have to use it in between every time you make a turn. Start by winding this on your quilling needle, and then you have to just twist it and wind it around. So what I'll be doing is, in between I'll be adding a bit of glue so that the whole flower that I make with this quilling paper will remain in place, else it will loosen up and get spoiled at the end. So each time you make a twist like this, add a slight bit of glue just to hold it all in place, and simply just fold it outwards and turn it forward. You'll keep repeating the same process all through the end of this quilling paper. Now, if there is a tear in between when you are twisting the quilling paper, do not worry, you can just stick that part and continue further, or you can even make the tear as an edge of the flower. It gives a natural look to the flower and enhances its beauty. Just keep on twisting in this way. That's it. Also, once you have completed most of the part of the flower, you can remove it from the quilling needle to make it easier to twist. The turns that you make on the outward side becomes very easy, because as and when you follow the process, it automatically tends to turn about, and then you just have to wrap it at the edge like this. Now, if you need more smaller roses, you can take thinner quilling paper, but the thicker the paper, the better would be the quality of the rose. More thinner ones will actually tear off very easily when you're twisting it. Okay, now I have removed it from the needle, as you see. Then all I'm doing is just turning it around. I'm come to the end bit of it, so I'm just going to stick that end flap that is there of the quilling paper all together, and that's it. My rose is ready. So now all we have to do is, keeping the rose aside, I will take a plastic bottle and cut it around that V-shape area that you see. Once I have cut that, ensure to check that the edges are not sharp. If not, you'll have to cut it out to be smooth. Then any kind of waste paper you can use and just fit it in this way to give it a head round look on top of this cut bottle neck that you have. Once you have fitted that in, just remove it out and you'll have to stick it permanently using glue. So that's it. I have used fabric glue over here. You can use any other glue, Uhu or flex quick or anything that is suitable, but please mind your fingers. And once this is stuck in place, now it's time to add our flowers. For this also you can use fabric glue. If you have hot glue also, you can make use of that. They work equally well, both of them. And that's it. This is the finished look of the bulb look of this bouquet. Now to enhance the beauty of it, we are going to add square shape cut papers on the sides like this. So now this is totally up to you. How do you want to add? Many people prefer adding crepe paper, which is also equally good, but for me I found this good. And then to end it up, finally you will add a ribbon like this. I had something extra, so I made use of that. So doesn't this look cute, Lana? Let me know if your friend liked it or not.
That looks so cute, and it was super easy to make. I'm sure my friend is gonna love this bouquet of roses, and best this is it will never dry out.
So friends, if you all found this video useful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. See you next time.